So, I'm at my grandma's house, watching Lord of the Rings, but I can't really hear what's going on because my grandma's new dog named Bo is just barking over and over again. I don't know if you can hear it right now, but it's pretty annoying. So what I'm gonna go do is I'm gonna go tell him to shut up as soon as I get up from this chair. Wow, that's interesting. I wish I knew what was happening right now. So I'm walking through my grandma's house, going to her bedroom, and look at this. You ready? Look at this dog. He's in the shower. Whoa! And if I go up to him, what's wrong? I'm scared. He's gonna bite me. You know what? I'm just gonna. Hey. Really cute, you know. You're a cute dog, but you need to calm down. I'm leaving. And then when I leave, he just barks even louder. He just keeps barking. Listen to that. Yeah, okay. I don't know what to do.